Okay. Okay. Today we are doing the fourth lesson on scales, the modes. So we are doing Lydian dominant scale. That is the Lydian mode. So from this time onwards, I want to lay more emphasis on the scale rather than its application, so that when we finish the scale, the forms, the positions, we'll go to its application to make it easy, because I want to break things down. You are all welcome. Fidelis Bonya in Bami, right? I miss our test. Merry Christmas to you all, everybody on this channel. You are all wonderful to me on this channel. Samuel Baini, Augustus, YOG, you are all welcome. So today we are taking a look at the Lydian dominant scale. That is the fourth scale. I don't play like, that is Lydian. So we use Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian. So we are on the Lydian dominant scale. That is another major scale for the C or for the Do. When we are playing Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Do, that is the major or Ionian mode. So we have two different types of major scale. One is the Ionian mode. So we are moving to the Lydian dominant scale. So you are all welcome, Renew. You too, you are welcome, Renew, my friend. So let's go to the board. We are using C. Somebody asked me a question that I should he use the scale from C and G sharp. That was the Phrygian mode. C to G sharp. The answer is no. We have to understand the step, the distance. So when we are using C and we are playing, we have to move to the G sharp for the Phrygian mode to play the everything for our surface to end. So our root will be ending on the Mi. So the same way, if you have C sharp, it means we have to move to A to play the scale. When we move to D, it's Phrygian mode. We must move to the C, B flat, sorry, E flat. So that is the distance. So we don't use only C and G sharp. We use it for all the other keys. So let's go straight to the Lydian dominant scale. So when we say Lydian dominant scale, at first, let me spell it out the surface or the notes. We have Do, Re, Mi. Instead of going to Fa, we don't play Fa, we play Fi, So, La, Ti, Do. So if you want to play, this is the C shape. So that's why I say I want to tackle them one by one. So after this, I will go back to the other ones, Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian 2, and do the same work there. So stay tuned. This is Do, Re, Mi, Fi, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Re, Mi, Fi, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Ti, La, So, Fi, Mi, Re, Do. That is the Lydian scale. So let me put the prelude now. As beginner, we have to use the thumb and the fingers. So this is the C shape. Do, Re, Mi, Fi. Instead of Fa, you move to Fi. It's a major scale. So, La, Ti, Do. Here, third string, a third fret on the fifth string, because we are playing the C shape here in the C key itself. So Do, fifth string, third position, Re, fourth string, open, Mi, fourth string, second position, Fi, the same fourth string, fourth position. So, third string open. La, third string, second fret. T, second string open. Then do. So write it down. We have do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. That is using the C. So if you take a look at it carefully, you can see that we are playing G major scale, because we have do, re, mi, fi. So this is do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. You see, it's the same as G sharp major scale. So let's move to, we've done with the C shape. So let's move to the A shape of playing C. So it will be do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Again. So if you take a look at it, I say it's the same we are playing G, because if we play the same, you check the nose. So if you've written the nose down, you see that do here, do or do here is G sharp, fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa. So the application will be the same way, like we are playing C, but or we can say we are playing G, but all the solo, when we want to resolve to the do chord, we have to resolve to fa. So let's check the G. You see, it's like we are playing G. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But we have the root. This is the root. Because we have do, ti, la, so, fi, mi, re, do for the spelling in the key C. So if you are using the C surface, it will give us this scale. Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. But when we are using G, we have do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. In the key of G, spells out so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fi, so, in the key of C. So take a look at it. So when we are playing the solo, we can say we are playing the G major scale. Because we have it as C. When we resolve to fa in the key of G, so this is the introduction to the application. We are not doing the application. I want you to understand the scale first. So let's go back again here. We've done here, we know here, because do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. The same here. If you move to G, the G shape of playing the C, you have do, re, mi. Instead of fa, we don't play fa, we don't play fi, or we play it here. So do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Do, write it down. Re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do. So we have two major scales. Or we play do, re, mi, fa. Either we play fa or we play fi. It's a major scale. So we have two. This is Lydian dominant scale or Lydian dominant mode. So write it down and rehearse it across the whole board. Because if you come here to this C, E shape of playing C here, you have do, ti, la, so, fi. You see? So it's like we have do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do in the key of G. So let's check it out in the C. Do, ti, la, so, fi, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fi, mi, re, do. But it spells fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa. In the key of G. That is how I spell do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. But when we are using the C for this same, it will give us do, ti. But fa is do for C, but it's fa for G. Ti is mi for G, but it's T for C. La for C. Re, the same note, is re for G. Do, that is do for key G, but it is so for key C. T for G, but it's fi for C. Mi, that is, it is mi for key C, but la for key G. That is how we do the calculation. So write it down and rehearse it slowly. Because do, re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fi, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fi, mi, re, do. So we play it here, the same thing. Do, re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do. So everywhere we go, we can use this mode or the names of the mode. That is do, re, mi, fi, so, la, ti, do. So only fa changes from fa to fi. That is the meaning of the Lydian dominant scale. But we can create shortcut using the key G. But all our solos, or we will resolve to fa, fa, fa in the key of G. Because when we are playing and we resolve to fa in the key of G, let's assume we are playing, we've resolved to fa. In the key, we've resolved to fa. In the key of G, you can see it's the do for key C. So that is the meaning of the Lydian dominant scale. We resolve to fa, 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 but we are using this. So let's use, we are back in do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do, and we want to solo the Lydian dominant over it. Do, fa, so, do. You can see it's do, ti, la, so, fa for the key of G, but you can see we are using that fa, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do in the key of G, that will resolve the solo to fa. So this is the introduction to the application. We will do the application the next time. So I want everybody to understand and know exactly the notes in the Lydian dominant, because we have two common major scales. That's Ionian and the Lydian dominant scale. So we've done the Ionian. and we've done Dorian, Mezzolydian. So today we are on the Lydian dominant scale. So take your time, write it down. Do, re, mi, fi. Instead of fa, you play fi, sol, la, ti, do. Only fi changes in the scale. So if you want to use the C, that is the nose in the C. If you don't want to use C, but we want different shortcut, it means you have to go to G. But everything we play in the key of G will be ending on the fa, fa, fa in the key G. Fa, fa, fa. So take note of this, write it down. In the next lesson, we'll go to its application because I don't want to mix playing with the application at the same time. Sometimes people say it confuses them because of the questions and the comments under my comment section. That is the reason why I want to separate the notes itself from the application, because if you go to any site, you will find it do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. But sometimes you don't know how to play it across the whole board. That's the reason why I've taken time playing it on the various positions in the cage system. That is C shape, A shape, G shape, E shape, and D shape across the whole board. So thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet very soon. Renew Ingala Renew. You are welcome. My sister Tana, me bright, Miss Waters, man, I Fidelis Bonye, Samuel Sega. You are all wonderful people to me on this channel. Thank you all for making me your #1 teacher on this platform. Thank you very much. We shall meet soon.